Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to see the cross-platform installation of Python. Let's jump to our browser and type python.org for downloading the latest version. So this is the official website of Python, from where we are gonna download Python 3.7. When you go to download section, the website will detect your operating system automatically, so for now it is showing download for Windows. Now just click on Python 3.7.0 button to start the download process. We have already downloaded the file, so we are gonna start the installation procedure. The most important part of our installation is to check Add Python 3.7 to path. I'll just click on Install Now to start the process of installation. Close the setup after the successful installation. Now let's jump to Mac OS to see the installation process. Similar to Windows, now website will automatically detect our operating system and will show download for Mac OS 10. So this is the Python package file for Mac OS after downloading. For now we are not going to do the installation because we have already installed it and the installation procedure is as similar as Windows. This is the Python shell that we are going to interact with. So this we will see in further videos. After the installation, in your Mac Launchpad you are gonna see the two icons Python Launcher and IDLE, using which we will write our Python programs. In Ubuntu, that is a Linux OS, you have to use the command sudo apt-get install Python command to install it. In the upcoming videos we are gonna see more cool things. Till then please like, subscribe and share.